What's going on, everybody? This is Sane Outdoors. Today I'm going to show you how to make fishing jugs my way. Let's get into it. All you're going to need is a pool noodle. I like to use the pink ones because they show up very well. Wire clothes hangers. I like to use the vinyl coated ones because they cut down on the rust. Fishing line, I use 30-pound braid. Some split shot sinkers. I use a number 4 size. And some circle hooks. I use a number 6. The only equipment that you have to have is a pair of pliers and a nice sharp knife. Additionally, you can make a jig like I have here. It's nothing fancy. It's just a 2x4 with another piece of 2x4 attached to it. And then I used a piece of pipe here. All this does is just kind of gives you something to form your wire on. So it really helps keep all your jugs the same size. As you can see here with this completed jug, how it just kind of fits perfect on the jig. It doesn't really make a difference as far as how they function, but I just like them all to be the same size. I like to start by cutting my pool noodles down to length. I found that 11 inches stores inside of a milk crate a lot easier. I'll just hold them up to my jig to kind of mark where I need to cut them, and then slice down through it with a good sharp knife. And there's the heart of our fishing jug. Now we'll take one of our wire clothes hangers and bend it into what will make our frame. We're going to start by cutting the top hook off, and then I'll bend it into a straight piece of wire. Now that I have my wire straight, I can make the center of the fishing jug. I do that by bending a loop in one end and a square in the other end. And there you have it, the center shaft of the fishing jug. Now I just got to put the center in the pool noodle. And just like that, you got a fishing jug. Now let me show you how I like to rig my jugs. Start by cutting you off a piece of line. I usually don't run my jugs very deep, so a few foot's more than enough. Then I'll just tie a simple Palomar knot to the loop end of the jug. Then just trim off the tag end. Now I'll just tie on my hook. Since I'm using circle hooks, I prefer a snell knot. Just trim off your tag end. And there you go. Now slap on a sinker. I just go a few inches above the hook. And there you have it, a finished fishing jug. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Sane Outdoors.